and welcome to my new video, guys. If you're new and haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel below. In this video I will just guide you how you can manage your time during your exam. So I'll just discuss the general tips regarding how you can manage time. Then I'll just discuss about mainly science subjects, because in English, physics and chemistry you don't need that much time management. So mainly biology and mathematics are focused. So after that I'll just give an example regarding how you can manage your time, and just like how divide the time in segments and watching that. So hope so this video will help you. In general tips, firstly, draw the margin line and write the headings like subjective type in the time you're given the answer sheets. So this is the time before the question paper is given, so you have to utilize this time so you can save this time and use this time in the next questions. So secondly, don't waste too much time in thinking. Like if you're not getting the question, leave this question and move to the next question. So if you waste this time here, you're gonna miss the next question and the cycle just runs on. So what you have to do is write the easy question first and difficult question later. So easy question just requires less time, so you're gonna finish this question in time, and difficult questions, you cannot divide the questions time equally, because some questions require more time and some just are too easy. So do that according to the difficulty level. And thirdly, your writing speed should be fast when you're writing, because if you're slow then time's gonna just short off. So fourth thing that in general tip that comes is evaluate yourself whether you're on time or you're lagging behind, because if you're consuming more time, your time division will be just ruined. So evaluate after some time. For that you need a watch or wristwatch or any stopwatch you should have at the time of your paper. So evaluate yourself at that time and take steps according to that. If you're lagging behind, then boost up yourself and write fast so you can cover up that time. So let's move toward the specific part, and in the next part of the video. And basically in biology and mathematics we have short answers and long answers. What we have to do is to divide the time according to the number and difficulty of the questions. Like for short questions, how much time we're going to divide, and for long question, how much time we're going to divide according to the numbers. In short questions further, we are going to divide the time in question 1 to question 2 and question 3. And firstly, don't, if you're a slow writer, don't do extra questions first. Do that at the end if you get extra time, and move on to long answers. For long answers, I have a special tip for you guys. If you're running short of time and you have to complete your paper, what you do is just pick up your marker and just write the headings first and leave the space for the pen work, like introduction, definition, explanation, etc. That's come in that question. So, and after that write with the pen, so it will just eliminate the time for picking up the marker, opening the cap and closing, and this. So you're gonna complete the paper in if you're having 5 minutes and you have to complete the long answer, you can complete that. So this is gonna help you, and I hope so this is gonna help you. So now I'll just show you some examples like this in the next part. So here's an example, guys. A biology paper. These are the short questions 2, 3 and 4. Question 2 and 3 containing 12 questions, out of which 8 are to be attempted, and 4 containing 9, out of which 6 are to be attempted. So I'm just dividing the time for attempting questions, like 8 questions. So 3 minutes for one question, like 24 minutes for question number 2. This is question number 2, and 24 minutes. This is just an estimation because you can't divide exact time for 3 minutes for one. So just I'm dividing the for whole question number 2. You have to do this in 24 minutes, and the question number 3 also in 24 minutes, and question number 4 6 questions in 18 minutes. This is just a general division. You can just get 1, 2 or 2 minutes extra. So basically short questions you have to do them in 1 hour and 10 minutes, and long questions, there are 3 questions each carrying 2 parts, like 6 parts of long questions each. You can solve each in 13 minutes, so you have 1 hour and 18 minutes for long questions. Remaining time, there is a remaining time of 12 minutes for extra questions, or if you are a slow writer, you can just complete your paper in this and just leave the extra questions. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. If I can just do one thing for you guys, you can just send me your question paper and I can divide time and send you the and tell you how you can divide the time. So just like and share the video, guys, and thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.